Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about the aneurysm types and its mnemonic. So what is the mnemonic? Mnemonic is mad scab. So first is M for the mycotic, it is the infective aneurysm. Next is the A for the atherosclerotic aneurysm, it is the most common cause for the abdominal aneurysm. Next is the D for the dissecting aneurysm, it has a specific chest tearing pain. Next is the S for the syphilitic aneurysm, it is the syphilis disease. Next is the C for the capillary microaneurysm. Next is the A for the arteriovenous fistula, it is also another type of aneurysm. Next is the B, and the last one is B for the berry aneurysm, it occurs in the brain vessels. So this is all about the aneurysm types, and the mnemonic is mad scab. I hope this is very easy for you to understand. If you have liked this video and if you have understand it, please share it to your friends. If you have any question, you can comment below. You can subscribe our channel for more such mnemonics and videos. You can check out our other videos. You can join our social media and telegram groups. All the links are given in the description. Thanks for watching.